Homeowners, have you been in a home for a decade or more? Well, the National Association of Realtors says you likely accumulated over $200,000 in wealth just from price appreciation. Now here's how to turn that paper money into real opportunities for your future. Hello, I'm Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and today we're going to talk about how much equity you've gained being a homeowner. But before we do that, please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to receive all of our helpful videos. Have you ever stopped to think about how much wealth you've built up just from being a homeowner? As home values rise, so does your net worth. And if you've been in your house for a few years or longer, there's a good chance you're sitting on a pile of equity that may even be more than you realize. Home equity is the difference between what your house is worth and what you owe on your mortgage. For example, if your house is worth $500,000 and you still owe $200,000 on your home, then you have $300,000 in equity. It's essentially the wealth you've built through home ownership. And right now, homeowners across the country are seeing record amounts of equity. According to Intercontinental Exchange, the average homeowner with a mortgage has $319,000 in home equity. So the rise in home equity over the years can be credited to two key factors. First is significant home price growth, and in recent years, home prices have climbed dramatically. And in fact, according to the Federal Housing Finance Agency, over the past 5 years, home prices nationwide have risen by 54.4%. And that's a huge amount. And I bet that in 2020, you wish you knew that was going to happen. Well, me too. And this appreciation means your house is likely worth much more now than it was when you first bought it. And second, data from the National Association of Realtors shows people are staying in their homes for a decade, as shown in this graph. This increased tenure means homeowners benefit even more from home values growing over time. And that's because the longer someone has lived in their house, the more that home's value has grown, which directly increases equity. And if you're one of those people who's been in their home for 10 years or more, know this. According to the National Association of Realtors, over the past decade, the typical homeowner has accumulated $201,000, almost $202,000 in wealth solely from price appreciation. Of course, our increase in value and equity here in Southern California is much higher. So what does that mean for you? It means your house might be your biggest financial asset, and it could open up some exciting opportunities for your future. Well, let's break it down. So moving to your next home, your equity could help you cover the down payment for your next home. In some cases, it might even mean you can buy your next house all cash. Second will be financing home improvements. Now thinking about your upgrading your kitchen, adding a home office, or tackling other projects, maybe even an ADU. Your equity provides funds to make those improvements happen, increasing your home's value and making it more enjoyable to live in too. 3 would be getting a business going. If you've been dreaming about starting your own business, your equity could be the kickstart that you need. Whether it's for startup costs, equipment, or marketing, leveraging a home's value can bring your entrepreneurial goals to life. So what's the bottom line? Whether you're thinking about selling, upgrading, or simply want to understand your options, your home equity is a powerful resource. If you're wondering how much equity you've built or how you can use it to meet your goals, reach out to me and explore the possibilities with me. I can provide you with all of your options. So please like and subscribe so you're guaranteed to get all of our current helpful videos, and please feel free to share these useful videos with your family and your friends. Well, this is Frank Kenny with Living in Los Angeles South Bay, and I'll see you on the next video.